else? Here comes another one. Remember the re-engagement call? This is an alert, guys. Especially if you've been coming to these classes, if you remember the re-engagement call, because one of the things I love teaching agents is stop with the broken closing piece when you call somebody saying, hey, if you know anybody looking to buy or sell, give me a call. You know looking to buy or sell, give me a call. Almost insane. I was like, oh my God, if someone were to say that to me, I'd just hang up the phone on them. I feel the same way. So what is it, Mike? What you're talking about diversity in your emails. Well, first off, number one, it's a great way to generate referrals, because when you call people and have that conversation, that family, occupation, recreation, dream conversation, the Ford, remember that? Remember you call in your sphere, your people you know, they already know, like, and trust you in real life, and then in business, you have to get to know, like, and trust them. And here's how. First, on that re-engagement call, you're going to ask to be able to stay in touch via email. Remember the line? Instead of saying, you know, anybody looking to buy or sell, please give me a call. Referrals is my favorite thing, right? How many people love hearing that? Referrals are my favorite. The best compliment you can ever receive is a referral. I know some people might get mad over here. That's been used, and yes, does it work? Sure. But think about it. If you're a consumer, is that attractive? I said, no, but it doesn't hurt, by the way. So I just want to say it doesn't hurt, but is it attracting people? That's what I'm talking about. So the call attracted them because you said, oh, hey, how are you doing? How's your family? How's your dog, your cat? How's yoga? How's your hobby? How's life? How's work during these times? Like these are the questions you ask. And then, okay, now you talked a little bit about your career now. Oh, real estate is great, by the way. So follow me, guys. This is the call. Remember the re-engagement call. By the way, would you be open to receiving emails about the market, about industry updates, especially in this quote unquote potential volatile market, a market that's ever so changing and looks like it's transitioning or changing? Oh yeah, of course, send me the emails. Now, boom, that's how you're gonna stay in touch now. You got your emails and diversity in your emails. When it comes to marketing and contacting your clients, email is still one of the most important methods. Stop delegating your emails to these crazy companies. Okay, if you've done it, I'm sorry. Nobody really cares about turning your clocks back, okay, from some copyright that you know, from like a so West Coast, for argument's sake. And for the East Coast folks on this call, you're probably thinking, okay, well that makes sense, right? Just do you. Even if you send an email saying, hi everyone, you know, the local market update is blank, and just put like even 10, 20 lines, that's going to do more than sending some canned email these days. So many agents use drip campaigns to communicate with leads. But hold on, let me just make sure I'm clear here. If you're not comfortable with doing emails, then do something though. So don't overthink. Do something. Then yes, use the canned emails. But for those that kind of can sit down and plan out these diverse emails, then that's going to be a better long-term play, okay? And worst comes to worst, here's another thing. Just put people on e-alerts. E-alerts meaning properties that are for sale, they get sent to them daily, monthly, weekly, whatever it is, okay? But you want to be diverse in your emails. This way people will want to open and stay in touch, right? Yes, this is referrals, my friends. You were thinking there might be something a little bit different, but this is referrals. I got some more stuff for you, don't worry. Stay tuned. Bomb. Whew. How many people have been getting my bomb videos? Give me a little thumbs up if you love my bomb videos. If you don't know what bomb videos are, the videos you've received from me are from bomb. Now, there are other ways you could do these videos, you know, through YouTube links and things like that. I personally like bomb. So one option is to create your own newsletter using a tool like bomb. You can customize the design and content to your liking, my friends. Bomb, for example, allows users to insert photos, edit, move around text, and even insert videos into the newsletter. Imagine you send a newsletter to your friends, your family, and other referrals. Say, hey, everybody, hope all's well. Just want to give you a quick update about our local market. I can't tell you how many times people will then even forward that email, because now it's humanized. Because if someone were to refer me Before they even refer me, they might even send that newsletter and say, look what my realtor sends to me. Does the realtor you're considering send this stuff? How many people here believed that what they were doing was enough already to get more referrals? You see, newsletters are visually appealing. That's why it's important to build your own. Stop delegating these things. And I'm telling you right now, I get anxious when it comes to sitting down and writing these things, but that's why I would use BombBomb and just create a video like, hello. If you don't like to write, then do a video. If you don't like to do video, write. If you don't like to do both, then get out of the business. Oh my God, stop saying that, Mike. I'm just serious. These are things that you should be doing to generate referral business. And this, as I always say, it's the pie chart. We get the piece of pie, and you do a little bit of video, do a little bit of newsletter, you do some Facebook, you do some WeChat, your Instagram, and boom. People see you everywhere and will be excited to refer you. Like, oh my gosh, my guy Mike, this guy is literally everywhere. When people start saying that about you, it means that all you're doing, everything they're doing is working. Okay. And video marketing. You can make your email stand out even more with videos of you. Take pause for a second. My friends, how many people know that the portals actually in New York, because regulations have changed, hello, alert, 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 the portals no longer have your face if you pay for an advertisement in New York. And people know that. Yet again, your opportunity to market yourself is gone again. Some people didn't even know. When I told some people the other day, they were like, oh, really? I didn't know that. Yep. So now that opportunity is gone. So video marketing by sending people emails is going to keep you in front of people. That's how you're going to get more referrals. Video marketing is becoming increasingly popular with consumers, and with just a 30-second. See, remember, you would do that 1 hour, 2 hour talk. It is just no bueno, no good. Who's going to sit and watch your video? What makes you so special? What makes me so special? Hit somebody with maybe up to 10 minutes. Hit somebody with something 10 minutes. And these newsletters, maybe it's just like a 3-4 minute thing, because why? It's about them clicking through, saying, oh, I've got my information. Just like, for example, let's say CNBC, CNN with a little news ticker on the bottom. That should be the format of your video marketing. And that will be so much more valuable by the time they've received, boom, 10 videos from you across the year. I guarantee you they will be more likely to refer you to other people because, number one, you're being progressive. Number two, they probably will forward that video to someone else and say, hey, check it out. I refer this guy, Mike. He's amazing. Okay, check him out. Boom, here's a video. People are voyeurs, my friend. Voyeurs meaning they like to look at other people, right? So what that means is that before they even call you, especially if they've been referred by someone else, they're going to look you up online, wherever that might be. So it's a different way, again, it's a different way to communicate with your sphere without, number one, being there in person, or B, being it solely through social media, right? So you heard, right? This is another one. Agents make excuses all the time. My friends, my customers are not on all these platforms. Okay, we'll send them a video via email. Mike, they don't have an email address. Come on, guys. They have something. You're making excuses. Figure out know your customers and what they like and stay in front. Believe me, how many people don't want to watch a video? It's faster, it's easier, and they can actually get to know, like, and trust you more, especially if that person wants to refer you to someone else. So yes, those are two great ways, but you want to always be at the top of the mind. So another little tip over here. I have connected with agents and brokers in Florida, New Jersey, via Instagram, via Facebook, via LinkedIn. I've had agents refer me from Seattle that I've never met before. They said they watched my video on LinkedIn. Sounds weird, right? But it's not. And what I'm saying, I'm not some social media guru, okay, but all I can tell you is this. I don't care about changing the content per the platform. I'm just going to keep posting. I'm not hitting you with social media, what's best practice. I'm saying, but the best practice right now is doing something, not nothing. That makes sense? Yes or yes? Come on, hit me with a little yes or yes. The crowd goes wild. I'm going to start getting freaking sound effects on these things. Thank you, thank you, thank you for raising your hands, guys.